Morning, everybody. My name is Alexander. Today is the 28th of September 2022, and this is my chart breakdown for today. A little recap from last week. We had this painting on US 30 where I said we had some type of higher low forming. This candle was floating that period, and I said we might see the market push higher, but there was some type of high that was failing to break, and it was painting some kind of higher low, and a lower high formation was still painting. We see that market give a little bit of bullish run. If you check my story on Instagram on Monday, you'd see I took a buy straight up to this level here that I was expecting the market to get to. After that, it dropped. We still saw that this market was failing to break this level, but on a lower time frame, I saw reasons as to why to continue taking the sales. One was this trend line, a 1-2 touch, some sort of break of a counter trend line on the lower time frame, and some sort of buyer's exhaustion. I capitalized on that trade, and you can see how it fed. As of this moment, I still am looking to take the market further downwards. There really isn't much analyzing to do. The market might just get back to this level and reverse, or it keeps going downward. Now for the next 2 days, there really isn't anything for me to watch. This level is already broken with this candle and potentially this candle closing, so I'll look to add more positions to the bear side if I see if I see reasons to do that. So the only way I can be a small buyer in this market is if I go on lower time frame and I see a break of this level. If not, I still am a seller looking to capitalize and scale in more sell entries into this market. The same with AUD USD. We had this level that I said this level was failing to break. If I got a bullish break above that level, I would be a buyer. If not, I would want to see how the market rejects from this level. We got that bearish, big momentum bearish candle, a retest of that level, a sign of buyer's exhaustion, and I am in that market. After this class, I'll do a new measurements for new projection. So this is 200 pips, 230 pips, 230 pips. Let's say here, this point there. So there might be a potential of the market running into this level if that is 230 pips. After this session, I will do that, 234 pips. So we might just see this market keep pushing down to this level here. But as of now, I'm just going to be holding and scaling in more sell entries to see how to capitalize more on this setup. And if I see a bullish break above this level, then we might just see this market push a little bit higher back into this ground here. USD CHF, this candle was painting at that moment where I was saying it came back to this level. if we got a break of this level here, we would see the market push back down. But if we got that break, we got that break here, 1-2, a retest back into that level. I missed the buy setup. If we go on lower time frame, you'd see I had an analysis for it. I was waiting for the break and retest, but when it came back there last night, it was already time for a new day, so I could not capitalize on this trade. If not, if it had happened during my trading time, I would have taken this trade and push up, but I was not present in that market as of this moment. Seems this Fibonacci, let's check daily. Seems this Fibonacci is invalid now. Okay, a 1-2-3 setup is potentially painting. If you have to excuse me, I have kata. So based off of that, the first point of resistance in this market, that sort of resistance is seen here. So you can box that off and call it whatever you want to call it. So we might just see this market, if this 1-2-3 pattern forms correctly, we might just see this market run into the 1,000, 1.00000 or 1.00500 level. So if that 1-2-3 pattern forms, good. If not, we want to see if this level is going to hold here. If we see some sort of bullish break off this level, then we are still good to go for a bullish market. Where did this come from? Yeah, so just adjusting this. If we see a break of this level, then if we see a break of this level, then we might just see this market fall. If not, we are still bullish in this market setup. BTC did me shaggy. Hit my stop loss, but still respected that level on the higher time frame. I forgot to go on the higher time frame while I was showing you guys last session on Monday. This whole level still did not break, and as such we still have more bearish setup, more bearishness in the mind. A lower high, a lower high, and a lower high here. This low is still holding. There's a high potential that this low will get taken out. If it does not get taken out, then we are still stuck in that consolidation. A break of this level will be buyers. A break of this level, and we are sellers into the new territory. Simple stuff. ETH, the same thing. It did not break this high, but what it did was, if we go on the H4, I said it was going to bounce off this level for a bull run. It gave a slight bullish run for $100 increment from 1 to 800, from 1 to, let's say, 1 to 900 to 1390, from 1280 or 90 to 1390. That is $100 increment. Then we got that push back down. If we want to follow lower time frame, we would say a break. But if we go on higher time frame, that level is not broken, and as such we can't call that a break. It's still a testing level, so we want to see how this market will fare if it will keep going down. So that's all for the chart breakdown. I expect you guys to get a little bit value from this. Follow me on all social platforms at King ALXNDA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this. And ask questions. All right, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys on Friday. So take care and goodbye.